There are many products available to choose carbon steel pan, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best carbon steel pan from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. The Bayer Mineral Bee Fry Pan. This pan straddles the line between a low-sided frying pan and a wok, with medium-high sides that will keep your food contained when you're stir-frying, yet it won't eat up storage space. This pick is made in France and comes with a beeswax coating that protects the metal as the pan travels from the manufacturer to your door. The pan has a long, ergonomic handle that is securely riveted to the pan's body, to help you toss the ingredients as you cook and easily hang the pan when it's not in use. Out of the box, we found this pan slightly heavy and unbalanced, and often had to grab the handle with both hands while cooking. It did heat quickly and extremely evenly, whether the heat was high or low. For the most part, food slid right out of the pan, but there were a few instances of sticking. The pan did come clean though with a hot water rinse. Number 2. Sardell 3 PCS Carbon Steel Cookware Set. These Sardell pans are made from carbon steel and although are lighter than cast iron, they are sturdy. They arrive unseasoned and are quite stunning to look at. Once we seasoned them using the included instructions, they looked even more beautiful, turning a blue and copper color. Although the pans heat evenly and do not have any hot spots, when testing we found that we needed to use low-medium to medium heat for the food to not scorch. As the pans are lightweight and radiate heat outwards, they get hot fast. Once we learned how to control the heat, the skillets produced consistent results. The smallest skillet is a good size for making an omelette or fried eggs, a skillet brownie or cookie, and we even made some pan sauces in it when we were cooking for 1 or 2 people. The fried eggs and omelets cooked perfectly, although because of the new seasoning, over-easy eggs were slightly difficult to lift off. Number 3. YOSUKATA Carbon Steel Wok. There's not much we don't like about this carbon steel wok. During testing it scored perfect 5/5S in the categories of ease of use, performance, and ease of cleaning. The only reason we gave it a 4.8/5 for design is because both of the handles get hot during cooking. Otherwise, we are impressed with the durable construction. The flat bottom ensures you can use it on any cooktop and it works with changes in cooking temperature effortlessly. During testing, we made beef fried rice and found the wok to be easy to maneuver and toss. After cooking we barely had to give it a scrub, as everything washed away easily with water. We re-seasoned it and it was ready to go for the next use. Number 4. Matfer Bourgeat Black Carbon Steel Fry Pan. This all-purpose pan by Matfer Bourgeat is made in France and is designed for commercial and home use. Constructed of unseasoned black carbon steel, you'll have to first remove the beeswax coating, which will take some time and elbow grease, and then season it yourself. The steel handle is welded securely to the body of the pan, and since it does not have traditional rivets, it is easier to keep clean since there's nowhere for food particles and residue to hide. We love how light this pan was compared to cast iron, and that it heated quickly and evenly with no hot spots. Seared chicken thighs easily browned and eggs didn't stick at all once the pan had been properly seasoned. This pan also cooled quickly, allowing for precise control when we seared fish on high and lowered the temperature to finish cooking. Number 5. Made in Blue Carbon Steel Frying Pan. The Made in company is making a name for itself with quality kitchen gear, so it's no surprise that its blue carbon steel frying pan is a favorite. While the blue color is distinctive when the pan arrives, it darkens with additional seasoning and with more use, as it should. The sloped sides make it easy to flip food in the pan, and the arched handle offers a firm, balanced grip. A hanging hole on the handle makes it easy to hang the pan on a hook to keep it at hand. Though it can ship unseasoned, we tested out the pre-seasoned option to save us time and energy. We found that the initial seasoning of the pan was spotty, but noticed an improvement in its non-stick quality with continued use and seasoning between cooking sessions. It heated up fast and even, which was most notable when we achieved a beautiful sear on steak. Like all carbon steel pans, this does need some maintenance, but it wiped clean with just a paper towel. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.